Well, lying perfectly still for an hour in an MRI machine, can be really tough, especially with patients with Parkinson's disease.
9 on your side's Taja Davis spoke with University of Arizona researchers on how they're trying to cut the time needed to grab images off of an MRI. Taja, good morning to you.
Good morning, Mark and Whitney. Now, using a $2.1 million grant from the National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke, a team of UAA researchers are creating faster MRI technologies to accommodate challenging patient populations. I was able to speak with 3 of these researchers who are already very pleased with the work they've accomplished so far. Already 6 months into this 5-year phase, U of A researchers hope to revolutionize MRI scans.
Most importantly, we don't want to keep the patient in the scanner forever. So we want to get the high resolution information quickly and accurately using new technology.
Scan times will be reduced from 40 to 60 minutes to close to 15 minutes or even shorter, depending on a patient's condition. The team wants to create technologies that will give doctors more information about the stage of a disease, even allowing earlier diagnoses. Patients with conditions like Parkinson's who move frequently can alter the accuracy of their MRI scans.
It's very difficult for them to stay inside for 30 minutes or 60 minutes. It's very uncomfortable for a seriously ill patient to stay in MRI scan for a long period of time. But even for healthy volunteer, it's more pleasant to stay in for a shorter period of time.
The team consists of about 10 researchers from the U of A campus and surrounding area. One expert has known Dr. Chen from his days as a grad student and is very excited to be a part of this research.
My graduate research focused on developing fast MRI techniques, but they were more for body applications like imaging the liver. So it's interesting and it's exciting to translate those approaches to the brain, and it comes with its own challenges.
A system that helps validate what is seen on MRI imagery is this device called TMS, which stands for transcranial magnetic stimulation, and is a big part of this project.
Because we're going to use the TMS to validate the brain circuitry. Currently, we're actually using that to understand brain function and also develop some therapeutic protocol for people with Parkinson's disease.
To improve the quality of the MRI experience would be a major step for physicians and patients.
We are hoping that very quickly we can start to see some exciting preliminary results and starting to acquire some data from patients.
The final part of this phase at the end of its 5-year plan will be to compare the accuracy of images obtained from patients with Parkinson's to images from healthy patients. Taja Davis, KGUN 9 on your side.
Now KGUN 9 on your side.